columns here. Okay, there are three
No,
columns.
no.
One is ASAP, yes, no. Okay, the question
The
is
same
that
function itself considered as a second
In Guru, let me explain you.
Of
Let
course,
me explain
ASAP.
you. Here, yes, no meaning whether this was a safeguard in hedge of yes or
You
no.
see here, ASAP is
this alarm, you're
considering
telling
this
this
as a
alarm is part of
Yes, this
safeguard.
alarm
They
has
should
been
be
considered as a safeguard.
correct.
Yeah,
but
can you
it's the
go
same
back
thing,
to your
LAHH
ASAP
and
worksheet?
LSD is the same, right?
Go back to
It's
ASAP
not a
worksheet.
safe alarm. It is part of the safe.
It's a part of the same.
So
Right,
what is the question? What is the question to you?
Go to ASAP. Go to ASAP worksheet, Chairman.
Yes. Oh, hedge of
At
worksheet.
the same time, it's triggered alarm.
Hedge of
That is
yes. So
Okay.
LSAH.
Okay. So
Actually-
LSAH, yeah, it is
Yes.
initiating even now. Okay.
See,
Yes,
number 2 is supposed to be
Yeah.
LASH, but it is, okay, LAHS. It is the same thing, right? It's a high trip. Yeah. It's a
So
high.
here alarm has been taken.
That is alarm.
Yeah.
And this one
this
is
is
the
SIP.
trip.
This is SIP, yes, correct. So the question,
The
the
first
answer
one is
over
a
here,
pre-alarm. The first one is a pre-alarm.
yes. So
That is
no,
that is different tag, no?
this is
pre-alarm is
different.
different tag. Yeah,
Yes,
correct.
yes. So we
That
cannot
will
say.
be in your next list. Next
Yeah.
in the list.
So
Yes, Lee?
then we can say that. Then we can say that it has not been considered in HEJO, correct?
No.
Because there's
Chairman.
No,
How
it's
come
considered
trip
in
is
ASAP.
yeah, ASAP.
no. This alarm was taken as a safeguard, yes or no?
It is. If you see, go back to HAZOP.
Yes.
Chairman.
Tell me.
Yeah.
It is
Number
part of
2. Number 2. LAHH to activate
Yes.
hips. That's the
But
same thing.
this is the ESD function, right?
It is the ESD function, but actually during HAZOP, right? This is to activate hips, but now after the seal, this is different, right? Remember that
Okay.
we disintegrate this LAHH 2 out of 3 in the hips. We made
Okay,
it pressure hips.
Yes.
And
This will
we
give alarm, right? This
added
will give
one
alarm.
SDB.
And this will give alarm, right? This will give alarm.
Go to the
No.
other.
Go up, you can go up.
Because now we changed the concept to be hips based on high pressure.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So
LSD. Yeah.
go on.
But now,
So
now
if we want to differentiate the DH and AH. So
yeah, but now.
Because now the hips will be based on high pressure, not high base.
So guys, as per our discussion,